So we have a certain club, and each member pays $4 for lunch, and each guest that attends pays $8 for lunch. And we're trying to figure out how many members attended. So we're not counting the guests, just the members. So clue 1 says a total of 20 people attended. Well, that would be members plus guests equals 20. But I can't tell you exactly how many members attended. Okay, so that doesn't work. Forget clue 1, look at clue 2. Total of $92 was spent. Well, if you take $4 times the number of members plus $8 times the number of guests, that's going to tell me how much was spent, and it was $92. But once again, I can't solve this for M because I've got two variables. So now what you do is you put both clues together, and that's going to work because anytime you have two equations with the same two unknowns, you can always solve for the variables. So you know your answer is going to be C. I'll briefly show you how that would work. I could take this top equation and solve it for M. You could solve it for G just as easily. And then take this expression for M and plug it in right there. So you have 4 times 20 minus G plus 8G equals 92. You could solve this equation for G and then plug that back in this equation, and you could find the number of members. Answer C takes both clues together to answer the question.